Now I will be teaching you how to use FaceTime. Okay, so I will be alternating between the computer version and the iPod version of FaceTime, or iPhone version. Okay, so in order to call someone, first click on their name. In this case, the name is Test Call. Okay, so now on the iPod version, in order to call someone, you have to tap on their name and then test call again in the contacts. So now, back on the computer version, if someone calls you, this window will pop up on the screen. Click accept to take the call or decline to ignore it. On the iPad version or iPod version, if someone calls you, this screen will pop up. Tap remind me to have your phone remind you about the call later, or tap message to text the caller instead of talking to him, and then tap accept to take the call or decline to ignore it. On the computer version, after clicking on someone's name, this window will appear while the person on the other end of the line answers. On the iPod version, if you are calling someone, then this image will fill the screen while the person chooses to answer or ignore. On the computer version, the person you are talking to will appear in the black area, which is the entire screen that you see right here. Your live image will appear in the bottom left corner, which is this brown thing in the corner. Your image will be there. It can be moved by holding down on it with your finger and moving along the screen. On the iPod version, your live image will appear in the background. The person on the other end's live image will be in the top left corner, but it can be moved. Clicking the red button will end the call. The button in the bottom right will mute the other person. The button in the bottom left flips your camera from facing the front to the back and vice versa.